Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name is Matthew, and in this video we're making a very rich chocolate custard pie. To make our graham cracker crust, I have a Ziploc bag and 12 graham crackers. I'm going to take the graham crackers, put them in the bag. First we need to make a crumb out of these, and to do that I have my rolling pin. You could use your food processor if you wanted. I'd also use your meat mallet. I've transferred my graham cracker crumbs to a medium bowl, and to it I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of vanilla, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. And with a fork, just gonna mix it all up. I have a 9-inch pie plate. I'm just going to pour my crumbs right in. With a fork or my fingers, I'm gonna press it down. Make our chocolate custard filling. I have 8 ounces of 85% cacao chocolate. I'm just going to run my chef's knife through it and chop it up. I have 4 eggs. I'm going to separate them. To the egg yolks, I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm going to whisk this until it's pale. To the egg yolks and sugar, I'm going to whisk in a cup of cream, a cup of milk. And now let's cook our custard filling. I have a pot on the stove. To it I'm going to add. I'm going to turn the heat to medium-low and slowly cook the mixture until it thickens and coats the back of a spoon. The thermometer will read about 175 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. I have my chocolate in a bowl. I'm going to set a strainer on top to pour our custard through a fine sieve right on top of the chocolate. And we'll just whisk this all together. I have a slice of our custard pie. Let's give it a taste. Very chocolatey, very rich, almost naughty, and it's very nice on that graham cracker crust. Delicious. And there you have it. Now that's how you make chocolate custard pie. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.